Hi, in this short tutorial we are going to learn how to edit the footer section of your website, like you want to change powered by WordPress or something like this. Let me show you how to do that. Log into your WordPress admin panel, and here you will find option of appearance, and in appearance you have to go to theme file editor. In theme file editor you will find a file here, footer. In footer you will see a printf statement here, proudly powered by WordPress. You can change it to your own text. Our footer section have changed now. Update file edited successfully. Let me show you the result. You can see our text has changed now. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.